At last! You had a long sleep.
Yes. What's the time?
It's almost 12:30.
Oof, it is so nice to sleep.
Yes. And what about last night? Tell me everything.
There were 4 of us. Chan, his friend Jerry, and Jerry's girlfriend Kate.
Oh, is Kate nice?
Yes, she's very nice, very funny. She's at nursing school.
Oh, how old is she?
She is 20.
And what about your dinner?
I like Indian food. It is very... how do you say this? Yes.
Spicy. Yes, Indian food can be hot and spicy.
We had some white wine from Kent. White wine with gas.
Sparkling wine.
Oh.
Yes, England does have some very good sparkling wines.
Jerry and Kate only speak English.
That's good practice for you.
Yes, but it's very difficult and very tiring.
Well, you see we have coffee. Huh? I need to ask your opinion about something.
Yes.
Harold says I should get a job too.
You want a job?
Well, it gets lonely here during the day. Victor and you are both at school. You have a fun job at the video store.
Oh, you want to work at the video store too?
No. I want to work as a salesperson, selling accessories and clothes.
Oh, you're good at that.
You think so?
Yes. Will you work in a boutique?
No, I'd like to work in a big store, a department store.
Oh.
See, I'm a good shopper. I think I'll be a good seller too.
You will be excellent.
Help me practice my sales pitch before you leave for work and before Victor gets home.
What time does Victor get home?
He should be back around 6.
Okay.
This is the company I'm going to apply to. Churchill's. They sell very nice women's clothing, and I should get a big discount myself. Can I help you, madam?
No thanks, I'm just looking.
Why don't you try on this dress? It suits you.
It is a pretty dress, but it's too big.
Oh, madam, we have it in smaller sizes.
Do you have it in another color?
It comes in blue, green, and pink.
How much is it?
Madam, it's on sale. It's only £42.
Okay, I'll take it.
Very good choice, madam.
See, you're a natural salesperson.
I'm going to apply at Churchill's tomorrow.
Oh,
But
okay.
don't say anything to Victor.
No, I won't.
I want to surprise him.
Okay.
Hi there, good to see you. Do you like shopping? We can go shopping together, but first, let's learn some English, okay? Today we are talking about the verb to like and its negative and interrogative forms. Do you like shopping? Agatha likes it, but Victor doesn't like it. After that, we will see the comparison of adjectives. This fork is smaller than the other ones. Then we will talk about prices and how to ask for a price. Finally, you will learn about clothing and colors. We are starting with the verb to like. In this episode, Elena wakes up late Sunday morning after her night out and tells Agatha about her dinner. Can you remember what Elena says about the food? I like Indian food. I like, You like. He, she, it likes. We like, and so on. In English, to like is very much like the verb to love. So you can say I like sparkling wine and I love sparkling wine. Do you like sparkling wine? This is the interrogative form. Does Elena like her friends? Do they like shopping? Does Agatha like staying at home? No, she doesn't. So the negative form is I don't like, you don't like, he, she, it doesn't like, we don't like, and so on. For next time, you could make a list of what you like and what you don't, okay? Agatha tells Elena she'd like to find a job in a department store, so they practice being customer and salesperson. Elena says, that's a pretty dress, but it's too big. And Agatha answers, we have smaller sizes. Do you know what smaller is? Right, it's a comparative adjective. With comparatives, it's very simple. We just add an ER at the end of the adjective. Smaller, bigger, shorter, longer, and so on. I can also say, this is the smallest fork. This is a superlative, right? With the superlative, we add an est, est, at the end of the adjective. Smallest, biggest, longest. But this is true only for all short, one-syllable adjectives. With longer, multi-syllable adjectives, there's a difference. Let's see some examples. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult, and expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Since we are going shopping, as we said at the beginning of our lesson, you have to learn how to ask about prices. How much is this dress? How much is it? How much are those shoes? How much are they? You can also say, how much does it cost? And how much do they cost? If you want to buy some clothes, you will have to ask about size and color too. Do you have a smaller or bigger size? What colors do you have? Do you have green? Do you have blue? It's late. The shops are closing soon. Bye, and see you next time.